Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the serial number. The first one requires a secret code, so let's start with it. Let's open the dialer, let's open the keypad of course and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now let's try to find it in the settings. So I'll show you the second way of checking the serial number, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to open the settings, as I said. Let me go back because I've already checked another information. What we have to do in the settings is to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now we have to try to localize the serial number. So let's enter the software information. And there we've got the model, and right under it we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.